Well, in Yuma County, more cases are surfacing of a new inflammatory syndrome affecting children known to be linked with the coronavirus. 13 on your side's Cody Lee spoke with a local pediatrician and has more on this rather new illness.
Good evening, Jasmine. Doctors are now warning parents of this mysterious illness. Right now, there are a lot of unknowns about this syndrome and why kids are impacted by it in connection with COVID-19.
In a span of 2 weeks, we've already seen 3 kids with this.
Yuma Regional Medical Center confirming that at least 3 local children were diagnosed with multisystem inflammatory syndrome, better known as MIS-C. All 3 patients were flown to Phoenix Children's Hospital for further care.
It can happen with a symptomatic COVID infection as well, but the 3 patients we've had here in Yuma, it was unknown until they developed MIS-C. It was not known that they had a COVID infection.
The CDC also saying many children with MIS-C either had COVID-19 or were exposed to someone with the virus. MIS-C inflames multiple parts of the body, including the heart, lungs, kidneys, brain, skin, eyes, or gastrointestinal organs. The new disease has been compared to another rare childhood condition, Kawasaki disease, but it could be even more severe.
Now, Kawasaki disease has an unknown cause, but most of us in the pediatric community feel like it's probably triggered by a virus.
This disease causes a high temperature and stomach flu-like symptoms, but Dr. James Lieferman says inflamed dry eyes is another key symptom.
That's a little bit of a red flag if the kid has what seems like a stomach flu, but also has red eyes.
The doctor shares advice for parents and other local pediatricians.
You know, there's plenty of kids that still get the stomach flu illness or gastroenteritis. But if it seems out of the ordinary, it seems like, you know, my kid got sick with vomiting and diarrhea, but it didn't go away in 1 or 2 days. He's still sick after 3 or 4 days. That's unusual.
Dr. Lieferman also tells me that this mysterious syndrome is not related to any type of annual vaccine that your child may get. All 3 cases in Yuma had a known exposure within 3 to 4 weeks prior to the onset of the illness. Reporting in Yuma, I'm Cody Lee, 13 on your side.
Thanks, Cody. Well, Yuma Mayor Doug Nichols is challenging all area mayors today to get more residents to fill out the U.S. Census. Nichols taking to social media today to announce the challenge. The plan is who